What's up, B Squad? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and I like to talk about mental health, beauty, and fashion. The things that matter to me the most are matching your internal glow with your external glow, okay? So we can be all the way good, okay? So that's what I'm talking about on my channel. Today I'll be doing the wet look slash juicy curl. I don't know what I'm gonna title it, but it's like the wet look type curly hair and how I achieve that look. If you guys are interested in that, then please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, make sure you go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can become part of the B Squad. All right, let's get into it. All right, before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys what the unit looked like before I washed it and plucked it and did all that other stuff. So this is a 370 lace wig unit. And I'm just showing you the specs. It has 3 combs in the back and adjustable straps. It also had a comb at the top, which I cut out, and then I'm just showing you how much lace there is. There's a lot of partner space on this unit. And then this is what it looked like after I washed it. So this is what the curls look like when I washed it. And also I just wanted to show you guys what the hairline looked like before I even plucked it. It looked really nice already, and I just modified it just a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm trying out a different setup today. Since this is a hair tutorial, I figured I would try to do one of those in the mirror ones that I see people do. I like seeing those, so let me know if y'all like it or not, but we're gonna try something different. But yeah, here's the wig. Ooh, this mirror thing it's hard to get used to. So I'm looking at myself, but it looks like I'm not looking at the camera. So yeah, I ordered this wig. It's 18 inches long. I ordered it from this vendor called You May. I've done a couple of reviews of You May on my channel. I'll try to link them down below if you guys are interested. My first unit was like a curly bob or a wavy bob, and then I also did a straight unit. I really like their curly hair, but the straight hair I did not like because it shedded a ton, and it might have been body wave. But it shedded a ton, and it just wasn't for me. It's okay. Today we're going to be getting the wet look curly hair. I'm going to show you guys how I get my hair like that, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So let's all go ahead and get into it. Okay. So before you get started, you're going to need a water bottle if your hair is not all the way wet. I like to wet my hair and put the products on it. I feel like it just helps with the overall look. So I do have this. I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. You'll see it's a little fizzy because I usually mix conditioner in with my water, so it does have a little conditioner in it. My GOAT product right now for curly hair is this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's the Curl La. Oh, it's so good on curly hair. I used it in my last hair tutorial when I created that wig, and it was curly hair off of Amazon. And I used this, and the curls were so defined. And then as a gel, I like to use the Jelly Soft Curls by Miss Jessie, because it gives it a hold, but it doesn't make them crunchy. If you want crunchy, then you can probably use a different type of gel or mousse. I also have a mousse up here as well, just in case it's not turning out the way I want it to. So those are the basic products that I'm going to use, and I will link those down below for you guys. So I'm just going to start with this front part. So of course I went ahead and laid the wig per usual, and I did little baby hairs or whatever because I just didn't want this video to be super long, and everybody basically knows how to do that already. I'm just gonna section this first part just to demo. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna wet it. So I'm trying to be cautious because I use Got2b to hold down this wig today. Although if you're gonna do a wet look, I suggest you just glue it down because Got2b gets really loose and it comes up when it gets wet. So, oh, also I got my as seen on TV Detangler brush. It's called the Easy brush, I think, and I use it on my natural hair and it worked pretty well today. So I figured I would use it on this as well. Look how nice and smooth it's making the hair. But yeah, I found this online. I've been finding a lot of stuff off of infomercials and stuff like that lately. So you want to get the hair wet, pretty wet, to where it smooths down. This is when I take my Curl La, and it's like a custard type consistency. Then I like to put that on the hair piece, and then I'm going to brush it through. Look how pretty and curly this hair is. I usually like custards, to be honest, unless they're too heavy. Some of the custards I have tried have been pretty heavy on the hair. But yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at y'all. I hope you can see this. Look at the freaking Look at this. Let me put this in front of the camera. Look at this. Curls. Okay. So then my next step is you can take your mousse or gel. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of mousse. I'm gonna take some of this gel. Make sure you get those ends, girl. Get those ends. But yeah, it's like, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. The curls. So basically I'm gonna continue to do that for a couple more sections and then we're gonna speed it up. And a little bit of the jelly soft curls. And if you're like kind of weird about like trying out these, they do have, which I found at Target, they have the little mini packs of the jelly soft curls if you want to try that out, because it's a natural hair product, so it's pretty, it's kind of expensive. I think it was like $12 or something for this gel. So they do have the sample packs. The only place I've seen them have that though is at Target, because they don't have them at Walmart for sure. For sure. Okay. So yeah. So now we're gonna continue. I might change this to like how to get juicy curls or something, because these are some juicy ass curls, girl. Bitch, we get juicy as fuck right now. And that's on period. And that's on that. If you're watching right now, have you subscribed yet? Because subscribe, girl. Join the crew. Period. We lit. Look how pretty that is. I mean, of course it's gonna dry and it's not gonna be as easy to brush through, but like, look at these curls. They're so pretty. Alright guys, so this is basically the finished look for the curls. I hope you guys like them. They're so pretty and it has a wet look. And what I did at the top was I just took some of this Lotion's mousse and I just like put it up here and I put it in my hand and I just rub it down. The cool thing about this wig is I have to go in and let me see it. I have to go in and put some concealer there, but this is actually a 370 unit. I think 370 units have a little bit more parting space, but like the parting space goes all the way back here, so I can make this look super realistic if I needed to. It's so pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna call it the wet look or juicy curls, but I love this. It's so pretty. So here's the back. And when you're looking snackish, okay. Well yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. If you're watching this one, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, and join the B Squad. Also, give me a big thumbs up if you like this video and you want more hair tutorials. Sorry, I was looking at myself again. But if you want more hair tutorials like this, then please give me a thumbs up and comment your favorite part down below. Alright, I thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Period.